Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I sew on the hanger for my wall hangings. This is just one method that you can use. You can also cast off over the top of it or whatever you want to do, but this is how I do it. So you leave a pretty long length, like for this one I did like 8 feet or something like that because I'm going over a piece of driftwood. And so you just line it up how you want it to look. So here's what mine looks like. And then whichever edge you're going to start on, you thread your yarn through a needle, and then you're going to go over to the back and then push your needle out through your first cast off stitch here, and then pull it tight. And then you can leave as much or as little slack as you want to, and then go through your next stitch right there and pull it all the way through to the back, and then you're going to go around and through that exact same stitch again. So you're going to go back through to the back, and then you're going to be coming out the next stitch. Just start that again. So this gives you a good anchor on every stitch. And now you're going to go up over the top and out through that same stitch. So it'll look like that. And then you can just kind of scooch things around as you go. And so now I'm back at the start of the steps again, so I'm going to go through the next stitch there, pull all of it to the back, come up over the top, and then go through that same stitch. Can't get that one there, so I'll just pull it all the way through to the back and then come out through the front of the next stitch. And there we go. And now you're going over the top of this one again, through the same stitch. I found if you don't go through the same stitch every time, it makes your stitches kind of like they slant this way instead of going straight, and I like the way that looks better. But you can play around with it, but that's how I do it. I'll pause for a moment and go all the way to the end and then show you what it looks like. So here it is, all finished. And now you can just sew your ends in and then add whatever hanger you want. I use twine for a lot of the lighter weight ones. I'm not sure what I'm going to do for this one yet. Maybe just the gray yarn that I hung it with, or rope or something like that. I'm not sure quite yet, but you can just add whatever hanger you want to after you're done sewing in all of your ends.